He vowed to cut $1 trillion in federal spending, called bureaucracy the enemy, and did it all with a toddler in the Oval Office and a chainsaw on stage. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, founder of SpaceX, and billionaire, has stepped away from the Trump administration after a chaotic 130-day tenure, leading the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE. Not to be confused with Bitcoin. DOGE was established by Trump on the first day of his second term to modernize federal technology and reduce spending. However, it quickly evolved into something far more powerful and controversial. Agencies were gutted and over 1 lakh federal workers were laid off. Entire departments such as USAID and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau were shut down. Musk's exit on May 28th followed a rare public disagreement with Trump over the president's sweeping One Big Beautiful Bill. Musk criticized it as a massive spending bill and undermines DOGE and increases the deficit. He remarked, "A bill can be big or it can be beautiful, but I don't know if it can be both." Musk's time in Washington was not just about policy, it was also a spectacle. He drew headlines for what appeared to be a Nazi-style salute at Trump's inauguration, which he denied. He endorsed Germany's far-right AfD party, brought his 4-year-old son X to the West Wing, and at one event accepted a chainsaw from Argentina's Javier Milei as a symbol of cutting down government. When Tesla's sales declined, Trump showcased the company's cars on the White House lawn, promoting them like a showroom. Now Musk says he will scale back his political spending and return to Tesla and SpaceX. However, critics argue that the damage has already been done. Agencies like the IRS, NOAA, and Veterans Affairs have been severely weakened, and the US Institute of Peace is suing DOGE after being forced to shut down. So, was DOGE a bold solution to bloated bureaucracy, or was it a tech-driven takeover disguised as reform? Musk's chapter in Washington may be over, but the consequences are still unfolding. For more such videos, follow The Hindu.